Today I'm going to show you exactly how to change fonts in WordPress, easily and quickly, no matter which theme you're using. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to give your site a fresh, professional look, whether you want modern Google fonts, a custom typeface, or just a simple tweak to tighten up your branding. And I promise you don't need to be a developer to do it. Let's dive right in. With WordPress in 2026, changing fonts has never been smoother, and it's all thanks to some new built-in features plus tried-and-true plugins. I'll cover 3 fast ways to update your typography, and you can pick whichever works best based on your theme. First up, if you're using a modern block theme, think 2024, 2026, or most themes released in the past couple years, you'll want to leverage the new WordPress font library. This is all built into the site editor, so you don't need any extra plugins at all. Start by navigating to Appearance, then Editor. Once you're in the editor, look for the Styles icon in the top right. It's a half-filled circle. Give that a click. From here, select Typography. This is where all your main font controls live for the whole site. Most importantly, next to the font label, there's a little sliders icon for managing fonts. Click on this and you'll see 2 options, Install Fonts and Upload. If you want something from Google Fonts, maybe you love the clean look of Roboto or the classic feel of Lotto, just toggle over to Install Fonts. Search the library and click Install. WordPress now adds these fonts directly to your server, making them super fast for visitors. But let's say you have a specific font file, maybe your business logo uses a unique typeface. In that scenario, head to the Upload tab and simply drag in your WAF2 or TTF file. WordPress will handle it from here. Once you've loaded your desired font, go back to the typography panel, here, where you choose which font applies to which part of your site. Maybe you want bold headlines and a friendly, readable body text, or a distinctive font just for your call to action buttons. Take a moment to preview how each choice adjusts the vibe of your site. A good font sets the tone more than you might realize. And don't worry, these changes won't show up for visitors until you hit Publish. Now, what if you're still on a classic theme, or you just want the most flexible visual way to browse Google Fonts? The second method is to use a plugin, and in my experience, Easy Google Fonts is the perfect choice. Hear how this works? Head to Plugins in your dashboard, click Add New, and search for Easy Google Fonts. Hit Install and then Activate. This plugin seamlessly integrates with your theme and doesn't require any coding skills. Once it's active, go to Appearance and then Customize. You'll see a new typography tab in the Customizer. This interface is totally visual. You pick your fonts for paragraphs and headings, that's H1 through H6, see live previews, and adjust weights and styles all before you publish. It's a bit like trying on new clothes in a fitting room. Experiment freely and preview the results instantly. This is fantastic if you like tweaking exactly how your site looks and updating content on the fly. Finally, for those using popular classic themes like Astra, OceanWP, or GeneratePress, you actually have font controls built straight into the customizer. Just head to Appearance, Customize, then look for a section called Typography, Fonts, or sometimes Global Settings Typography. Then select the element. Maybe you want a different style for your headings versus your body text. Browse the font dropdown, pick your favorite, and once you're happy, click Publish. Your changes go live site-wide, and your visitors enjoy a seamless new reading experience. And there you have it, 3 truly simple ways to change fonts in WordPress, tailored to your setup. If you found this useful, give the video a like. Got questions, run into trouble, or want font recommendations? Drop me a comment below. I reply to every single one. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical WordPress tutorials. See you in the next video.